This is a fit for a 2015 through 2020 GMC Yukon XL with factory installed flush side rails which have fixed point connections on the inner edges. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Vortex RCH base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex Aero load bars in black, 59 inches in length, the RCH legs, which include locks, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the rubber boots, metal brackets, and fasteners to connect to the fixed points. This is part number RCP43-BK. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. There are two additional factory connection points towards the rear of the side rails, giving a 51 or 64-inch crossbar spacing. The maximum weight carrying capacity is up to 220 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.